Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to deposit money into your Revolut account easily. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. If you're new to Revolut, all you have to do is scroll down until you see the first link in the description or the first link in the comment section below, where you can sign up with a bonus referral code that is a special offer just from us. Now, once you open your Revolut account and make sure that everything is verified from your files to your identity and everything, all you have to do is open to any of the accounts that you might have, either USD or forints or even rent or whatever other currency that you might have. Then from here you're going to go and then you're going to click on the add money on the left section. Now from here you can decide whatever amount that you might want. So for example, $100. And then from here you're going to select for how you're going to deposit the money. So you can select from any debit card or credit card that you might have, or even use your Google Pay card. And then also you can have to choose the regular bank transfer, so whatever method is best for you. And you can finally select whichever currency that you might want to add the currency in, so USD and HUF or any other international currency. And as you can see, some of them will have an extra option where you can deposit cash in your local ATM. And then you simply click done and transfer the amount to your Revolut account. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.